Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Bank of America alerts for automatic budget monitoring step by step clearly. Open the Bank of America app on your mobile device or visit the Bank of America website on your computer. Log into your account by entering your username and password. Once logged in, locate the Accounts tab on the main menu. Select the account for which you want to set up alerts. Scroll down to find the Alerts option and click on it. You will see a list of available alerts. Choose the type of alert you want to set up for budget monitoring, such as balance alerts or transaction alerts. For balance alerts, select the amount that triggers the alert. For transaction alerts, specify the criteria like transaction amount or merchant type. After selecting the alert type, click on Enroll or Set Up. You may need to choose how you wish to receive the alerts, such as via email or SMS. Enter your contact information if prompted, ensuring it is accurate. Review the alert settings to confirm they match your preferences. Once confirmed, click Save or Done to activate the alerts. You will receive a confirmation message once your alerts are successfully set up. Check your email or SMS for initial alert notifications to ensure they are working as expected. That's it. You're now set up for automatic budget monitoring with Bank of America alerts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.